Hi everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello, everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese dishes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we are making fresh shiitake mushrooms with garlic sauce.
Yes.
This dish will convert any mushroom haters into mushroom lovers, guaranteed. It is incredibly flavorful and the mushrooms are super juicy. If you ever want to go meatless for the day, this is a great way to get started. So, for the ingredients, we will need supreme soy sauce, Shao Xing cooking wine, pepper, ginger, garlic, sugar, shiitake mushroom, red and green bell pepper, green onion, cornstarch, and oyster sauce. Alright, let's move on to the prep. For the shiitake mushrooms, make sure to buy the fresh kind and we're going to trim off the stems and put it into a bowl. There's no need to wash mushrooms as that washes away the flavor and they do not dry easily, and if you wash them they'll get a funky taste if they're wet for too long. And for the red and green bell peppers, we'll just need a small sliver of each and then dice them into tiny pieces like this. And for the green onions, just dice a whole one into small pieces as well. For the ginger, we'll slice it into 10 thin slices and then chop it up into super thin pieces, and then we're going to chop it up until it almost looks pureed. And then last but not least, we'll smash up 5 cloves of garlic and dice them up finely into small pieces as well. Alright, now let's get to cooking. First, we're going to add a good glug of oil into a wok or a deep pan and wait for the oil to heat up. Then once the oil is hot enough, we're going to add our mushrooms in there and we're going to cook them for about 3.5 minutes. Then we're going to get a strainer and bring them out. Then drain your oil safely into a metal container to reuse for another time, and then we're going to start cooking again. Turn up the gas to high and add a little bit of oil in there and let it heat up a little bit. Then you're going to add in your garlic and ginger and cook it around for a few seconds to let it get fragrant, and then add in your bell peppers and cook it around for another couple of seconds. Alright, now that all the ingredients have gotten to know one another, we're going to turn the gas to low and add a small cup of water, a spoon of oyster sauce, a spoon of supreme soy sauce, a spoon of sugar, and a spoon of cooking wine, and we're going to turn the gas back to medium high and mix it through, and then add an optional chicken flavoring in there as well. Once mixed through, add a couple twists of pepper, and then in a small cup, add a spoon of cornstarch and water and mix it through, and then you're going to pour a little bit in there until the sauce gets thick and mix it around one last time, and then we're going to add in your mushrooms. Then we're going to toss everything together a few times and we're going to add our green onions in there and we're done. Mix everything together one last time and then we're going to grab a plate and pour over our mushrooms in there. Then you're going to sprinkle over some of the green onions in there and it's ready to serve.
Okay, let's eat.
Okay.
Alright. Oh,
Yeah.
what's that? Whoa, whoa.
Oh, yeah.
You look tired. You alright?
I'm starving.
Alright, what do you want? Some shiitake mushroom with garlic sauce?
Oh my god, do I? Yes, I do. Yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay.
Alright, get some.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wow. It's so good.
Yummy.
Packed with flavor, and the oyster sauce is so good with it.
With the mushroom?
Little bit crispy.
Yeah.
That's what. Oh.
Yeah. Wow.
Those are
delicious.
delicious flavors.
Wow. Good.
Oyster sauce is the MVP of this one.
Yes.
You know what? I don't feel that hungry anymore. Thank
No problem.
You hungry?
Mm.
No, thank you everyone.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody.